Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to disable copy and paste in Textbox using JavaScript. As you can see, we got Textbox here. Let's try to type something in it. Now let's try to copy it. You can see we're getting this alert. In a similar way, if I try to paste something, I'll get the alert because both the features are disabled. So in this video you will learn how you can achieve that. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's create an index file here. Let's have basic HTML structure here. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. We also need a script file. It will be script.js. We need only one input element here. Remove these attributes. Placeholder will be type here. Save it. Now let's create a style sheet. Select the body element. Background color will be dark cyan. Select the input element. Font size will be 30 pixels. Display will be block. Padding will be 10 pixels. Margin will be 10 pixel and auto. Outline will be none. Save it. Now let's open this file in the browser to see the output. Now let's work on the script file. Create script.js here. Select the input element. Selected by the tag, which is input. Now here you need to monitor two events. The first is copy, the second is paste. So let's add those event listeners. First is copy. This will be the handler function. Now just copy and paste it down here, and it will be paste. Now this is the event that will be triggered when somebody will try to copy the text from the input field, and this will be triggered when somebody will try to paste the text in the input field. Now to prevent the default behavior, we need to use the event object, which is here, and call the prevent default method. Also will show the alert copy disabled. Just copy and paste it here. Let's make it paste disabled. Save it. Let's go to the browser. Now here, let me copy this. Let's check if the paste is working. So it is not working. It is completely disabled. In a similar way, if I'll type something here like this and try to copy it, I'll get the alert. And you can see it is not copying the text. You can verify this by pasting it here. You can see it is not working. So I hope you understood how to disable copy and paste in Textbox using JavaScript. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.